What's up guys, Cody over here at Form First Fitness, just giving you another quick garage tutorial. Today we are going to talk about dumbbell walking lunges. So for a walking lunge, it is no different than a normal front lunge where when we take that step and drop that back knee, we want to keep that front shin as vertical as possible. We have pressure on our heel, big toe, and baby toe, but yet when we stand up, we are predominantly driving from that heel, about 80% of the pressure coming from that front heel. So what that's going to look like once we get dumbbells on the side, we're going to have them starting with a relatively narrow stance, shoulder blades squeezed together, really trying to make that chest nice and broad and open. From there, take that first step, find your stability. As you drop that back knee, make sure that front shin is nice and vertical, strong stand up. Then alternate the leg, step forward, find that stability, shoulder blades still squeezed together, drop that back knee, nice vertical front shin, and stand. If you guys like the video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.